Critical library mismatch involving the Mrmdeploy Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. Avoid long manual edits for Mrmdeploy library by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Mrmdeploy library, the Modern Resource Manager deployment library. It is responsible for registering and optimizing package resource index (PRI) files during UWP app installation. It maps resource identifiers to localized assets, strings, images at the binary level, facilitating the data link that allows apps to scale visuals and language manifests based on the user's system locale. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as Mrmdeploy Library DLL. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Mrmdeploy library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. A vital technical reminder: modifying Mrmdeploy Library DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files. Your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. For users seeking a more stable Windows experience, the link below references a cleanup utility related to Mrmdeploy library and system libraries. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Mrmdeploy library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.